Hi everyone, my name is Lena Nguyen. I'm a family law attorney licensed in Texas and California. Today we're going to be talking about fault divorces. Some states have what is known as a fault divorce. This is when one spouse claims that the other spouse caused the breakup of the marriage, or in other words, the other spouse caused the marriage to fall apart. California is a no-fault divorce state. This means no spouse can place blame on the other spouse when filing for divorce. In Texas and other similar states, the spouse that is claiming that the other spouse is at fault will usually write this and include this in their petition. The petition is the first document filed with the court that begins the divorce process. If the spouse making the claim did not file for divorce first, that spouse can include the fault claim in what is known as a counter petition. In Texas, there are 4 grounds for a fault divorce. Grounds means 4 instances in which a spouse can be blamed for the breakup of a marriage. Number 1, cruelty. A claim of cruel treatment can be just one single act or an accumulation of several acts. The act or acts has to be so serious that living together was no longer a possibility. The effect can be either mental or physical. Number 2, adultery. Adultery is when a spouse voluntarily has sexual intercourse with someone other than his or her own spouse. The spouse claiming adultery must provide evidence of adultery, and it cannot be evidence of mere speculation. Number 3, felony conviction. The spouse must have been convicted of the felony during the marriage, and he or she must have been confined to a Texas penitentiary for at least 1 year. And the last fault claim is abandonment. The spouse must have intentionally abandoned the spouse that is making the claim. The spouse must have made no intention of returning home to the other spouse. There could be no agreement between the 2 spouses that spouse would leave the marriage. Also, the other spouse must have been gone for a continuous period of at least 1 year. In other words, there could be no cycle of returning home and then going away.
Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you live in Texas and would like a free self-help divorce kit, please check the description box below to sign up.